Hey everybody, my name's Dennyse. Welcome to Craft Beer and Wilderness. Check this out.
I'm Catherine Gilbert. I'm a Vancouver Island historian. I've been speaking to the group about the history of the area.
My name is Lena I'm from Inner Compass Yoga. I'm going to be teaching the yoga here over the next 4 days, the Craft Beer and Wilderness Yoga Retreat.
I think they did such an excellent job making it more well-rounded for people beyond beer. So the yoga and the availability of the paddle boards and the tour to Friendly Cove and the history and all of that.
Hello and welcome to the Nootka Sound Brewery.
UV filtered spring water, it comes from just behind us.
Added in the grain that we brought from home.
Extracted the sugar out.
We put the sugar into this boil pot. We're gonna take this wort home with us and add the yeast later.
When Brad and Dennyse first approached us about this at a remote wilderness retreat, which I've heard a lot about on the west coast of Vancouver Island, I was really interested in getting a chance to see one of these. And then as we learned more about the concept behind the whole retreat, we became very intrigued and it became a no-brainer to say yes.
I did go up paddleboarding. It was incredible.
Great people, great food. I really couldn't ask for anything more.
It's a great place for any craft beer lover, home brewer, or anyone else that loves beer and the wilderness to talk to professional brewers, other home brewers, and to hang out in a great wilderness setting with great food and a great experience.
I came to the retreat to meet the other brewers, and I think it was the perfect occasion to talk about beers. Just have a few days to discuss about the purpose of it and the flavors behind it.
I started as a home brewer. To be able to homebrew again with some people that I know, peers of mine in the brewing industry, it was an opportunity I didn't want to miss. Coming here has been a disconnection, and it's given me some peace that I haven't felt in a long time. Today, we're actually making beer in a small scale, and it's literally been 8 years since I've done that. It's something I've missed, so I felt a little nostalgic earlier, mashing in a little homebrew scale. It's been a long time, so yeah, it was very cool.
If you're looking for an amazing selection of craft beer, some awesome brewers, relaxation, yoga, you should join us. Visit our website, or better yet, give me a call. I'd love to talk to you.